this oxygen sensor, this side is still hot a little bit. Okay, this side you see the holes. Those holes detect the carbon dioxide and you know, the oxygen, carbon dioxide, and so on. This side is blocked because of the carbon. So we need to use a brake cleaner, brake and parts cleaner, open those holes, and this should help to read more, like better reading for this oxygen sensor. So let's do that. Let's clean this oxygen sensor with a wire brush. Those holes are blocked. That's why maybe this oxygen sensor has a bad reading. But let's get all those dust, rusts, debris, and you know, a lot of other bad things. You see that? It's pretty bad actually. Let's clean it. Now you got some holes are blocked here. Trying to clean them. Okay. That's much better. It's much better now. There's some holes, like those must be opened. Just gonna use this. Try to open those holes. You see those one? Yeah. Some of them bad. Some of them. See this one. Much better. We can use this brake and parts cleaner. See? This can work also. Yeah, it's clean. It's good. You know, maybe the best of all, like cleaning this stuff here, chalk and carb cleaner, very strong. Also, you can use this also if you like. See the dirt and dust. You see that? Very powerful. Okay, yeah, that should be good. It's all clean, see that? That's good.